Do you know how your sunscreen is affecting the planet? Dangerous chemicals such as oxybenzone generate devastating effects on coral reefs and marine life. MyCHELLE Suncare products are gentle enough for the planet, but powerful enough to protect you from the sun's harmful rays. Our Suncare line is and always will be mineral-based and reef-safe. MyCHELLE is proud to be the only Suncare line awarded the Clean Label Project certification for continuing to lead the natural category for purity, safety, and efficacy. MyCHELLE wants to go above and beyond creating reef-friendly Suncare and align with organizations such as the Coral Restoration Foundation, whose core mission is to restore coral reefs, educate on the importance of our oceans, and use science to further coral reef research and preservation. All great change starts from within.